How to turn off the active brake warning on Mercedes Benz W166 and W176. Open DTS Monaco. Open the workspace.
Feels like I've been lost in
Select No. No update is required.
no true. Always remember you. I'll stand tall and heal this heart. Though I might break down and cry each time I'm looking for a start. Every tear I shed tonight, through the storm, I'll see the dawn and find my way back to the light. 'Cause you're the reason I survive, even when the world says goodbye. Memory keeps me.
To turn off the active braking alarm, the vehicle code data needs to be modified. Select the gateway control unit as 166. Change section 02, forward collision warning position.
I'll find my fight. I'll rise above, no end in sight. I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, always and for better.
Restart the gateway after making the changes.
I promise I love you forever and ever and
Continue to restart the ESP control unit.
wondering why.
There is an encoding fault when reading the ESP control unit.
One thing I know true, always remember you. I'll stand tall.
Restart the ESP control unit again.
Though I might break down and cry.
Reading the fault code has changed to storing faults. Clear the fault code. Conduct rapid vehicle tests to prevent ESP from having faults. Information in the instrument panel. At this point, there is no fault information on the instrument panel, and the vehicle has been completed and delivered.